Gotta be on top. I think you just like her hugs, man. Yeah, you heard what I said. I think you like her hugs, man. She's not hugging you, she's pinning you right now. You gotta get out of there. Let's get out. Good. Now, get out. Keep fighting, keep fighting. Very nice. Let's go. Steve. Harry, let's go. Come on. Oh, no. Hey. Be careful with those elbows. We're not doing that right now, all right? Let's go. Take her down. Take her down and hold her down. Take her down. You got to hold her down, though. She's pinning you every time. Look at that. You got to wrap him up with your legs. Wrap him up. There you go. You got to stay on top of him. You got to stay on his back. Okay, we're on his front. You got to stay on top. Get on top, get on top, get on top. Come on, Alec. Go get her.